Yeah, no, it looks pretty solid. Mm-hmm. Surprisingly.
Do we know if the HVAC works? This unit looks so beat up. Let's see, you know, air conditioner next door.
They claim everything was changed in 2018. I think that's what I said. Oh, yeah.
The power's on.
That's what I said to you, right?
Where's that?
Essentially, usually the roof is 2018, right?
Oh, okay.
So. Yeah, roof finish back in 2018. Football club. Honestly, it wouldn't be hard to convert it back.
No, it's pretty good. Those walls
One. Washer and dryer. Room 2.
It's a dog kennel. That's a dog kennel right there. Right in the front yard.
It's crazy. They must be in a house, thank goodness.
Yeah. Looks like an old pizza hut.
Well, it surely does. No. I wish I could pick this up and move it somewhere else.
Yeah, I know. I mean, it's.
So the only thing is washer and dryer on this side.
Oh, maybe it's not the same spot. It's right where it's on this wall, right here. They can just attach that water line to the side of the wall. But that is something that needs to be addressed. Oh, no, it's over here. It's over here.
Yeah, the washer and dryer is
Was
right
it over
there.
there? Huh?
Unless it's in that closet.